Hello parents, we're going to work with our numbers and counters along with our sand or maize or soil, whichever that you can use for the little ones to trace onto. So what we want to do now is to recite number 1 up until 5, and on top here we have what we call the quantities of the number. So it's symbol and quantity. So we can see here we have number 1, and then there's 1 counter, 2 counters there, 3 counters, 4 counters, 5 counters over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one number at a time, and then we're going to proceed to trace it on our maize, or if you chose salt or sand, whichever you had, you trace on it like that. What is that? 1. So you're going to go through all of these number cards doing the same thing. Two. So with the little ones, they will need a bit of help. So you'd put your hand on top of the little one's hand so that you're able to direct them on how the movement should be. When you are done tracing all of the numbers, you're going to pack the numbers away, and then we're going to use the counters. So you want to ask your child, how many counters do you see on this little paper? Then you will count 1. So we want them to be able to know that this is how we trace or write 1. So ideally, we would want them to do this independently, but at the beginning, because we will reintroduce it, then they can have assistance. Okay, then we count 1, 2. We have 2 counters. 2. Okay, then we move on to the next one. Let's count. We are counting together. 1, 2, 3. That is 3. 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do our number 4. 4. So it's very important that when they are counting, they should touch every counter with their finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So they can go through this exercise over and over again until they're able to recognize which number goes with which card over there. So that is our numbers and counters while doing our tracing on our sand, our maize or salt, whichever that you opted